Okay, so this is the last video. Okay, so just not show you how to read catalog. So I have two catalog here. This one you can direct download from the Google. So type centrifugal water chiller catalog. So they will show you any brand. Okay, it's up to you. Your what is your interest. So this is an example of centrifugal water chiller catalog. So model CVGF water cooled hermetic. So start from 400 ton under to 1000 ton. So I use this catalog for my sample to show you in project 2. Okay, so I use this catalog. So I use 400 ton or 500 tons model. So please, you can find any catalog model. Okay, so this is catalog. So basically they will explain everything in this what type of system that you need. So design for 400 to 500 ton size can be fit through double with door. Okay, so it's up to you. So normally this one is just explanation what is the features that their model have. So basically our task is more on to refer on this data, inner data. Okay, so we are referring to this. So this is the smallest model until the highest model. Okay, 400 ton, 400. Okay, so 650, 800 and 1000. So we use this either one lah, 400 and 500. Basically, if before we decide to choose this tonnage, we need to calculate what is the total cooling capacity for that particular area. So from there we can use that data for choosing this model. Okay, actually for this tonnage refrigerator. Okay, but for your case, I just pick up anyone, the smallest one, just to show you. Actually, I want you to familiar with this catalog, how to read the catalog first. Okay, hey, this one, how to calculate cooling capacity, I think some of you know how to calculate, but I think if not, maybe the next class we will cover on this topic. Okay, so 400. So this one model. So the exchanger type. Okay, this one the bar, the pressure. Okay, working pressure, 10 bar equal to 150 bar, 150 psi. So what is the evap condenser water connection? They use plank adapter. So this one is very important data for us as a installer and also as a designer. So this one is the weight. Okay, if you need to consider also the weight, because it's depend on your area. Some of the area is very limited size, and also some of them the beams not so hard. So we have to consider how big that how big that your chiller. Okay, so this one is one more data. So this similar like I print screen, and then I put in the Word just now in report. So we can consider this one, the evaporator. So normally they have two type of 0.75 inch and also 1 inch. So it depends. You want to take this one or you want to take this one. Other one. Okay, it's not it's not so important for this task, okay, for project 2, because as I mentioned, as I explained just now, I want to ensure that you are familiar with this catalog. So you can choose from this one for condenser, evaporator. So why the evaporator got 2? They have number of passes there, different passes. So they have 2 and 3. So normally we choose number of passes is 2. Okay, so you can choose this one. For condenser normally 2. So we can direct take it from here. Or for this model. Okay. Then the other part is just explain how to troubleshoot it, the system, and then all temperature protection. So this one you can read if you want to know detail about this model. Okay. Okay, this one is the pressure. Okay, so this one model CVF, water connection pipe. So you can know to pass, or you can identify what is the size of pipe here for to pass 8 inch. So yeah, for this model 500. Okay, 8 inch for evaporator and also 10 inch for condenser. Actually, it's help you a lot if you know how to refer the catalog, because all the information is in this catalog, so you can use this info to design your layout. Okay, so the last one is mechanical specification, compressor, lubrication. So okay, so line area multiplied by meter, feet per meter. So they give you the converter, so you can refer here also. Feet to inch, okay, feet to meter time multiplied by 0.3. If you want inch to millimeter, so if time 25.4. So they have so cubic feet. So you can refer from here. Okay, very good converter. Okay, this one for chiller. So another one is for pump. So normally this is centrifugal pump. Same. Actually, I also download from the internet. Okay, chiller and also water pump. I I I I I prefer you to find from. Actually, they have many model for water pump and also chiller. So it's up to you. It's up to your team. You want which model that you like, which brand that you like. So I just want you to attach together. Okay, please make sure you do, in your report, please attach together your catalog. Okay, for pump and also for chiller. Alright. Okay. So for pump, okay, basically what you should know, you have to know is this one. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, it's similar like in my report just now. I show you. It's a flow rate. You have to know what is the flow rate. Okay, flow rate you get from your catalog, chiller catalog, because this one you use to select pump. Okay, so this one is RPM. Okay, from flow rate and also inches, the size of pipe, you can get what is the rotation motor, what is the rotation RPM for pump. Okay, then this is a characteristic, individual characteristic, so you can check if you need some information for the information, you can check here. Okay, so here also they give pressure loss due to the formula. Okay, formula to count the heat, okay, the head loss. Okay, so this is pipe friction. Okay, the lambda. So I think this one is you have you have to know if you want to further check either your system they got laminar flow or turbulent flow. What happened to your system? Okay, but I don't think for this time around I will explain about this because this is quite hard to explain. If you need some basic first before I further discuss about this. Okay, this formula I can use for this for calculation. So this one it had loss for straight pipe. Okay, you can use also for straight pipe. You can check what is the specific head loss. Okay, then this one flow rate. Based on flow rate, you need some. Okay, you have velocity. Okay, you have two parameter. You need two parameter, and then you can identify what is the rest, the specific head loss, and then this one your Reynolds number. Okay, this one is just Reynolds number. I don't think that you know about that, but it's okay. Just you, if you think that actually this chart is very useful, so you can use as a reference to get specific heat loss, the velocity, and also the Reynolds number. Okay, similar like this. This one for plastic pipe. Okay. Okay. This one is after you get all the information from the above chart. So this one is to choose either which column that actually is the is actually you should choose. Okay, this column is represent the every model. Okay, to 32 250.1 32 250. This one is model, the pump model. Okay, so to get it, so you have you need to know what is your flow rate and also your your head loss first. Okay, head loss, total head loss for your the whole piping in return side. Okay, so from the example here, 57 the head loss, 200 is a flow rate, so it's intersection here, so it's under column 80 to 80 dash 200. So the pump model is 80 to 80 dash 200. So you bring this catalog, go to the supplier, then ask for this 80 dash 200. So they will give you pump model 80 to 200. So you can use, okay, for your system. Okay. So this actually from the catalog you can learn many things. Okay, they explain everything here, but some on the info, sometimes they useful, sometimes not useful, but it depends what type of application that you use. Okay, yeah, the placement, the inner diameter, minimum submerged, so you can check here. Sometimes you need this info. Okay, so this one is same like above. Okay, I think that's all for the explanation of the catalog. So I hope that everyone is clear, and then you can use and familiar with the catalog, inshallah. In the next class I will teach you detail how to use the other catalog also. Alright, okay, so thank you.